Ho ho ho! Santa is back and Santa is all ready to welcome you. So before that, I shall tell you that what all material we require. Now we have to make the bottom of Santa. So how are we going to make this? We have made this in a cone shape. So how we will make this cone shape? We are going to draw a semicircle. So I am going to take this corner and draw a big semicircle. And now I am going to cut this. So be very careful while cutting the sheet. So first you will draw a semicircle and then you will cut it. Now I will take a Fevicol. I will put it on the sheet and then roll it up to paste it. So we will leave it for some time till it gets dry. Until then, what we will do is we will make the beard of Santa. Here is the white color sheet. You are going to draw a U shape. So I will take this corner. I am going to draw a nice U shape. We don't have to draw just one line. We are going to make it double. We are going to leave some space from the corner and we are going to draw a small U inside and then we are going to cut it. Big outer U and then there is a small inner U. And then I'll show you how we are going to make a beard out of it. And now I need 3 layers for the beard, okay? So what you do is, you will fold it half, like this. And from the outer corner, I told you, this is the outer corner. So from the outer corner, you are going to cut it. Cut it in small layers. And then you'll see the magic, how the beard turns out to be. Santa will be happy to see another little Santa like him that the little munchkins will make for him. See, now I have cut this outer part and now if you open it, you can see these layers, right? So now what we will do is, we have to curl these layers to get the shape of the beard, okay? So you have to be very careful. You will just turn the beard, just turn these layers to make the curl. Right, I told you, you have to be a little patient. So I have done this curling of one layer. Now I will curl the second layer. Just curl it up, curl it up. It's so much to do for the activity. Right, so another layer and then here I have another layer. So I already have 3 layers and I have curled it up. All great. Now the beard is also ready. Now what we need is the face of the Santa, right? So we will make the face of the Santa. So for that I am taking a pink color sheet and I am going to draw a single U, okay? I will take the corner and simply draw the U shape, okay? Like this. And now we will cut this U for the Santa's face. See, very simple. I have cut this face also. This is also ready. Now what we need is the cap. So we are going to make the cap also for the Santa, right? What we will be needing is a square sheet. So what you will do is you will hold it from the center and curl it up. Make a round. Turn it, turn it, turn it and make a cone like this, okay? So I will paste the opening of it by putting a Fevicol. Hold it, just press it softly but hold it till it gets stick. Now we have to level up the cone as well. That's the extra part of the cone. Right, so I got this cone also. I got the base cone, I got the cap cone and I have the beard and I have the face also ready. So now what we would be needing is to make a white strip for the bottom of the base cone. Okay, so I have cut this small white strip, just half an inch white strip, the same semicircle that we have made earlier, and we are going to paste it at the bottom of the cone. Okay, so we will put a fevicol at the bottom. So I will put the strip at the bottom. And again keep pasting the bottom part. Okay, so this bottom part is ready. Fine. So now what we will do is we will put the cone on the top and we are going to turn it on the side. Can you see? Ma'am's cap is also turning on the side. Right. We are going to paste it. Right? Okay. So I will hold it a little, press it a little so that it gets pasted. Right. Okay. Now we are going to paste the face of the Santa here. So I have made the face also. Now we are going to start pasting the beard. So we are going to paste the beard. We put some fevicol just on the flat part and not on the layers which we have cut. Okay. Just hold it to paste it. Now we'll take another layer. Put some fevicol on the flat part and put it on top of this layer and hold it, paste it. Then we are going to take one more layer, again put the fevicol on the flat part and paste the topmost layer of the beard. Now what we will be pasting is eyes for the Santa, right? So we will put some fevicol on the googly eyes. Hold your Santa and paste it carefully. Right? Then another googly eyes for the Santa and paste it. Lovely. Now we will take the red pom-pom for the nose of the Santa. I will put some fevicol on the pom-pom and paste it right below the eyes. Now let's put some cotton at the bottom of the cap to make it beautiful. We will put some fevicol around the cap and we will put the cotton and just slightly press it. Ta-da! Yay! And the Santa is ready! And Santa is ready to go around in the town and is ready to come to your home to distribute some goodies, some gifts, and lots of fun and lots of happiness. Merry Christmas! Ta-da!